got our head, we let it all set up. We got the back adjusted to fit. So that's ready to round down. We're going to work on we've got our 3 pieces cut out for the mouth. So we want to get that glued. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. Got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We'll glue this, clamp it down, let it set for a day, and then the mouth will be ready to work on. Takes 3 pieces for the mouth. To the podcast you can't live without, and only the iHeartRadio app has it all for free. Download the free iHeartRadio app for all your music, radio, and podcasts. iHeartRadio. Tom has awful road rage. He gets into a car and immediately all the cuss words you've ever heard in your entire life. I did not know that. Oh, it's horrible. All the cuss words I ever learned were from my friend's mother as she took us to school. All the good ones. Yeah. And the only non-swear word thing she ever said to somebody was a guy cut her off and she wrote under and said, "Where'd you get your license, Sears and Roebuck?" Hilarious. I don't know why. Look for a few brief showers this afternoon. I'll set this. Cloudy Wednesday. High temperatures will remain in the upper 40s. I'll put a couple staples to hold it so I can clamp it and it doesn't slide on me so much. Chilly starts with Thursday. It'll be partly sunny with highs in the 40s. For WTOL, a meteorologist in Weekman. Tom Show, Chrissy Lee at the news desk. Hello. There's Pat Godwin in the performance room. Hey, Chick. There's Josh Arnold. Hi. Hello, Ace Cosby. There's Willie Griswold. Good morning. I'm Chick McGee, and here's Tom Griswold. I look across the way, and I see we have the OrangeInsoles.com sports desk being manned. I mean manned. Get a couple clamps on this. I'll let it set all day. Let it set up good, because we won't be coming back to this for a while. After we get the rest of the head carved out. You could win that baby. Find out the details by going to bobandtom.com/contest.
We'll set that aside and let it set up, and then we'll move on. Thanks for watching.